Let me give her another kiss, Boo Bear.
How do I get out?
Same way you get out of Netflix, just the up arrows. Oh, what a sweet baby.
Nope, apparently not.
Okay, gentle, please. Gentle. Here. You're so sweet. Yeah. Tell me, who is this? What's her name? Braylon? Say it again for me. Watch out. Be careful. Gentle. Hey. Shh. Gentle. Say her name for me again. You want to hold her? Do you want to hold her? Oops. Hide the camera.